Tell me, do you build? You will.
Hello everybody, this is Maggie, and today I'm gonna be the man behind the camera, and she's gonna be the nice view in front of the camera. Also, this is gonna be her first build, so yeah, it's gonna be hard but fun. Have you ever watched a PC build video?
Never in my life.
Don't you watch mine videos?
Sometimes.
So these are all your components.
Okay.
Do you recognize any of these parts?
Yes, I do. I know the cables. As you see. And then I don't know nothing.
Okay. Show me the memory.
Can you see that I'm blonde?
Yeah. This is your memory.
Those?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Okay. I would say that it is this one, but
no, this is not a memory. This is your processor. It's the main part for
Really?
your computer.
this small thing?
Yes, it's the smallest part of the computer actually. Except,
okay.
yeah, it's the smallest.
I guess it's the most expensive one.
That depends, but yeah, usually it's the most expensive combined with the motherboard or the graphics card, but in your case it's the most cheap one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Yeah, those processors are old, but they're very versatile and still are good enough in
Okay.
2020.
So I will save some money then.
Yeah, can you guess how much it costs?
You say cheap, so it's about $100.
No, your whole computer is about $100.
Really? Really? Really?
Yes,
Okay.
it's
I'm happy then.
it's $5.
This one.
Yeah.
And this is the most important thing in the computer.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Let's start it.
Where do we start from? Can you guess?
I guess the motherboard.
Yes, and something else? What else?
And some... I don't know. Please tell me.
Well, the CPU, obviously, because it's the most important part. So we start from the processor.
This one and this
Yes.
one. Okay, what?
And the motherboard. And the memory.
And those.
And the cooler, which is gonna be fun. You'll see why.
This one.
No,
This one.
no.
Which one?
This is a fan.
Aha, this one is the cooler.
This is a power supply.
And then, what is the cooler then? It's nice blue.
Yeah, everything is blue.
Like my eyes.
Yes. Exactly.
Let's start.
We forgot the most important part. Can you guess what is the part?
Don't know? You don't know? This one?
No, no,
This one?
no. The part's not here on the table. What?
It's my mini doll.
Yeah, but not really. What makes the computer a computer? What?
The box.
The case. It's
The
called.
case.
Yeah.
So I have. Oh, nice.
No, it's not nice. This is not your case.
Ah, the big box.
This is her case. Okay.
Okay, now I'm happy.
Throw the box.
Enjoy the case.
Yeah. Usually you throw stuff when you build a PC. Yeah. This is your case. It's tempered glass, and the Funko Pop is gonna go inside. But the most important part is right here.
SD card?
Yes. Because you're gonna edit photos and you need to... Yes, and usually most of the cases doesn't have those. And when I saw this one, instant buy.
Just for me.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready?
Ready like Freddy.
Like, okay, okay, already joking. You need something big and hard for the rest of the night.
Thank you.
This is gonna be your best friend.
Okay.
Don't lose it.
I will not.
It happens. So we start from the processor.
Okay, I should open this one, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, don't break it.
don't break it and hold it on the edges.
Okay, I got it. And
Yeah. Install it over here.
then this is the triangle, which
Oh,
goes
yeah.
in there.
Whoa!
But
I'm impressed. You should open the slot
this
first. Yes. Yes. And
Okay.
now,
slide it in.
just
Put it on top.
yes, but very slow and careful.
It's difficult with my nails. Okay, I got it. No, I don't. Oh. That.
Yep.
And then close it.
Yes.
Whoops. This one is difficult. Okay,
Okay.
I think I got it.
We are ready.
Next part. Which one is the next part?
Yeah. Either this one or this one.
This one.
No, it's
This
this
one.
one. Yeah. Phew. I'm sweating. So this is your CPU cooler. It cools the processor.
Okay.
Yeah, you have a hard time installing this. Okay, take everything from the boxes and yes, and throw that away.
Okay.
So this
Oh
one I will
my
save you some
gosh.
time. Yeah, I will save you some time. You need this one
Okay.
and
Uh-huh.
and this one. Yes.
Blue one.
So you have to assemble a CPU core, which is yeah. All right. So you can open this plastic bag.
This one.
Yes. And get the brackets. So you have 4 screws and you attach those brackets at the bottom of the core. Yes, you will need also this one, but for later.
This one here.
Yes, so
Like this.
no, the other way.
Like this.
No, the other way.
Which one is the other way? Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I got it.
You're doing good job. Yeah, you can add the other one and then the other bracket.
Go inside, go inside.
You got it.
Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
Next one.
Check. Do you see any difference between?
Blonde enough, blonde enough. This is one thing I haven't done in my life ever.
I'm sure it's not gonna be a rust. Everything's tight.
Yes.
Okay.
All done.
Yes, cool. Good job. Now let's add this one at the bottom of your motherboard. So those should come up from here.
And then don't drop it.
Yes.
And then
And then you need a thermal paste
for
for the processor.
this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Spread it over the processor gently and slowly.
On top of this one.
Yes, like you spread a butter on a on a bread, on a toast. And not so much, just a tiny layer.
Okay.
I think we are done. Now we attach the CPU core over the processor, and you have to screw those. Yes, but the core has a certain position,
Which is
the other way. Yes.
like this,
Yep.
and then on top.
Yes.
I'm scared to push.
Don't be. The other.
The opposite.
Yes, the opposite way. It's called the cross method.
Little by little, or
Yeah, you can go little by little, and the other two just all the way.
all the way.
Yeah. Are you ready?
I think I'm.
Now you have to attach the fan over the heatsink with those clippers right there in the plastic bag. You need 2 of them. Okay, this is it's weird.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
The heck.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the bottom part, so I
Yes.
should put it here and here.
Yes.
Okay. But like just do this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The other one. Okay, I
Yes.
got it. So
And you
now-
just clip them over the heatsink. Yeah.
with those nails it will be
Yeah,
quite
I guess.
difficult.
Wait. It's gonna be hard with those nails.
No, it's okay.
Are you sure?
I'll try. Hurts.
No.
I
Wait.
don't think so.
Yeah. Wait. Okay. And now this is the most easiest part, adding the memory. No, yeah, we'll attach this.
Later.
No, we can plug it right now. It goes over here. Yes, that's the correct way. And
What?
you will just hide the cable like this or something. Yeah, we'll figure it out later. This is your memory.
Okay.
It goes where? Show me.
As I see, 4 plugs here, so it
Yeah,
4 should
okay.
go in the position.
I told you, I told you it's the easiest one. So you just pay attention to the notch over here. This
Okay.
side is smaller than this one, so
Don't press
no.
or press?
Press hard. No. With the 2 fingers like this.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Then go with the black one.
Good to
Voila!
know.
Alright, so we're ready with the main components. Now we will move on with the case. Where's the case? Oh, it's over there. Okay. So we can move that over there. Alright, so
This one I know, unscrew.
yeah, unscrew, but you don't need a screwdriver, you can do it by hand. Yeah, there.
Those nails.
Oh, okay, okay. I think it's ready. Yep.
This one is the easy part.
Yeah.
Unscrewed all those. That's all.
And then we eat.
Agreed.
Much later.
Alright, after a quick bite, we're ready to continue with the case. So you can remove the tempered glass carefully.
And smash it.
Then try not to. Yeah, you can leave it over there on the chair. These are all the cables that you need to connect to the motherboard. And usually we start from here. This is the place you put the IO shield, but you don't have an IO shield. It's missing from the board, and I made you a custom one where it's, I don't know where it is, I will find it and we'll add it later on.
Wonderful.
And then to save us some trouble, you need to plug one of these cables.
Those.
Yes, this one.
Okay.
You need to plug it first on the motherboard over here. There is a special, no, the other side. No. Yes. This should be over here. So, oh no, my bad. Yes, this should be over here. And just plug and, yep, okay. We need to add standoffs where the motherboard is attached. You have 4 pre-installed, but as you can see on the motherboard you have more holes, like here, there, and here. So you need to add a few more the other way, but because the magnet won't work, you need one over here. One over here.
Think something's wrong. So good.
Strong as Wonder Woman, okay.
I think it's good enough. Hope so.
Yeah. Now grab the motherboard and just try to attach the motherboard to match the standoffs over the holes. Yeah. Okay, so you need those. Open this one and get one or 3. And start from somewhere, it doesn't matter from where.
Ready.
Are you?
So.
Okay, so let's continue with those cables because they're... Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Okay, you can unscrew this one and this one. Okay, so grab first those cables where this should be the USB cable and this should be the cable for the HD audio and this for the card reader. It says card reader right here. You just pay attention. You see over here on the puck you have one missing.
Okay.
So it has to match on this side.
This one is USB.
Yes.
So it goes
So-
on USB 1 or 2?
It doesn't matter. You just have to match.
I saw it
Yeah.
already.
Yep.
And then good.
Cable management expert 101. These are for the front panel buttons like the power switch and the reset switch where you power on your computer. So they have to go over here and there's a specific way where they should be plugged.
Where
And
exactly? Okay, I saw it.
yeah,
And then
you
it
saw the
comes
power switch. You should go
power.
on the top row
Yeah.
this way.
There.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then we have
Bravo. Then we have the reset is the next more important. The reset switch. It's
here,
right this
yes.
and it should
It's
be
under this one.
it should be beneath the power switch, I think.
Yes. It is. It's very short.
It's tricky.
Good.
The power LED are those two and the plus should be over here and the negative should be at the very end, I think.
This one is the minus here. Okay, they're next to each other. So we can grab two and put them together. Okay, and this one.
No, the positive is
Yeah,
here
yeah,
and the negative is here. You see HDD or ID somewhere?
HD is
Yeah,
here.
it's all at the bottom, at the very bottom.
Done.
Wow, you amaze me. Alright, we're ready with the front panel cables, the USB and the card reader. So we continue with the hard drives and the SSD. So you have to turn the case on the other side. On the other side, yes. Yeah. And this should be the bottom and it should face you because it's the
Okay.
easiest way. This is your hard drive bay. Those two will go over there and you just have to take them out like this. Yeah, like this. So
It needs to be touched by a woman.
yeah. Take the hard drive, which is this one. And now slide it. Okay. Take the other one. And the SSD should be screwed with those.
Okay.
Oh, you figured it out by yourself.
Wonder Woman. Exactly for I need. Don't laugh.
A few moments later.
One down. 3 to go.
3 more to go, yeah. It's a struggle, I know.
More moments later.
Whew.
But we have a problem. You touched the SSD on the wrong side.
No, it's not like this. Not like this.
No?
This one is this is with the same.
No, the ports are...
I hate you.
Sorry. I will be the cable management assistant.
I'll be the cable management master.
You'll be shooting and I'll be managing.
Deal. And slide it in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take this. It's not so heavy. Usually they are heavy, but this one is smaller. So face it with the fan at the top here.
Okay.
So it will act as an exhaust.
But which this way?
But the cables should be on the other way. Yeah. Okay. So take the screwdriver, and you need those, any of those.
It doesn't go.
Yeah, it's not necessary to go. You just need at least 3.
I want 4.
Oh, okay. Did it went in? Did it went in? It did. Just
Not yet.
no. Is it in?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm done.
Oh, how is that like?
Now we are pretty much ready for the cable management, which I will deal with it, and I will leave you the final part, which is the graphics card. Where's the graphics card? I don't see the... Ah, there's the graphics card. And we're almost ready. Shit.
15 minutes later.
Johnny.
Let's attach the SATA cables. You need to plug them over here on SATA 0.
Good.
Attach this over here on the top.
Okay.
Usually it goes at the bottom, but we'll put the graphics card at the bottom. You'll see why, and we'll add this over here. It doesn't matter, you just plug those two.
The one here.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's all.
This is how we do it. Find the screw.
Okay, this one. This is the final part.
Final? You
Almost the final part. Okay, so this card, this is the PCI slot. Actually, this is the PCI slot, and you should plug the card with this side on the left.
And how about this cable?
Yeah, it should go beneath. Yes, and just push
And screw.
and screw. And this is the cable that powers the graphics card, and you should go over here, and this is the cable that powers the motherboard. This is the notch, and this is the where it should be plugged, with the notch on the outside. Yes, like this. Bruh.
Tetris.
Okay. It's all done.
You sure?
Yeah, we just need to optimize the cables and add the tempered glass.
So good job.
Yeah. The very final elements are the branding. This one goes over here, like this maybe, and this one should go over the graphics card, like this.
Nice.
So we will need a double-sided scotch tape. You need the scissors, and you just need a little pieces. They are white and they don't need much tape.
Next time when you build a computer, cut your nails. Don't put fingerprints. It's all done.
What are you doing? So now switch the button at the power supply and press the button at the top of the case, the big one, and enjoy. It's okay, it's fine. It's okay. It does that.
No explosion, that's good.
Yeah, the CPU fan is not spinning. Okay, it's spinning. Okay, so it powers, which is good. So we will just turn it off from the button at the top. No, no, no. Yeah, just hold it, yeah, and release. Turn off the power switch from the back and unplug the cable. Did you not just eat?
Ты скоро рассыпаешься. Чего? Ну, самое что?
Your viewers haha will think that haha I've never seen haha a computer haha in my entire life haha.
It looks like you're crying. But she's laughing. Final touch. Where's Wondi? Take out Wondi. And you can position it maybe over here, just make a quick test how does it looks, and you just add a little bit double-sided duct tape at the bottom, and
this is how we do it. Oh my God.
professional. Smart ass. At the very front or the very back?
I think on the front. Just like this.
Oh yeah, I forgot that her head rotates. Okay, that's pretty much it.
It's perfect.
This is the most exciting part, actually.
I don't want to put my fingerprints.
Yeah, and just hold it by the edges and we'll remove that later.
Okay. So it goes which way? This way?
This way.
Okay.
Okay.
Position.
Here is the rubber, right?
Mm-hmm.
And screw.
I feel so professional right now.
Yeah, I feel the same. About you.
All done.
Yep.
Let me just check.
And the most exciting part is just to peel off the... Yes.
And voila.
Yeah, you can throw it everywhere.
Perfect.
So you like it?
I love it.
Great. Push the button and then the other button, and now we wait for the monitor to turn on, hopefully. Oh. We have a successful post.
Super! Super, 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 super!
We're ready. She did very well, and I think I have a new host or apprentice, or I don't know, for my future videos. Whenever she's visiting here. If you want more from her, subscribe to the channel, like or comment,
Thank you for watching.
and till next time.
I give it for free. I give it for free. Just buy this one and I.
SSD, HDD, GPU. But first, to save us some trouble, where's the cable? I'm looking for the cables. Oh, there are the cables.
You don't know what it needs.
Fuck me. She did very great job building for her first.
Subscribe, thumbs up.
Добре, subscribe,
каза ли го добре?
Like, comment.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down.
Понеже имаш USB-те на монитора, които винаги могат